Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, where we help you make the best purchasing decisions without losing your sanity. Today, we have a battle of the bots. In the left corner, we have the iRobot Roomba 692, aka Roomba. And in the right corner, we have the Tikom L9000, lovingly known as Tikom. Let's get ready to rumble. First up, let's talk money. Roomba comes in at a cool $269. Not too shabby, right? But wait, Tikom slides in with a price tag of $249. That's right, folks, Tikom is cheaper. So if you're looking to save a few bucks for that avocado toast, Tikom's got your back. Next, let's see how these bots find their way around your home. Roomba uses adaptive navigation with a bunch of sensors to avoid bumping into your furniture like a drunk uncle at a wedding. Tikom, on the other hand, has 360 degrees LiDAR navigation. It's like having a tiny robot with the precision of a GPS. It can even save up to 5 maps. So if you have a multi-floor mansion, Tikom's got you covered. Reviewers love Tikom's efficient and precise navigation, though they note it might take a bit longer to clean large homes. Sorry, Roomba, but Tikom's navigation is out of this world. Literally, it's like having a spaceship cleaning your floors. All right, let's get down to the nitty-gritty cleaning power. Roomba boasts a 3-stage cleaning system with dual multi-surface brushes and an edge sweeping brush. It's like having a team of tiny janitors working for you. Reviewers appreciate Roomba's strong suction and consistent cleaning. But Tikom comes in hot with a whopping 4,000 pascals suction power. That's enough to suck the soul out of your carpet. And it's a 2-in-1 vacuum and mop, so it can even handle those wine spills from last night's one glass that turned into a bottle. Reviewers praise Tikom for its powerful suction and effective mopping feature. Sorry, Roomba, Tikom's cleaning power is like a cleaning tornado. Now, let's talk stamina. Roomba runs for about 90 minutes before needing a nap. Tikom, on the other hand, can go for a marathon 150 minutes in quiet mode. That's almost like watching the entire Lord of the Rings trilogy while Tikom does all the work. Plus, both robots automatically recharge, but Tikom's got the edge here. Reviewers note that Tikom's lengthy battery life is perfect for larger homes. Roomba, you might need to hit the gym and work on that endurance. Finally, let's delve into their smart features. Roomba learns your cleaning habits and lets you start cleaning with just your voice using Google Assistant or Alexa. Tikom not only connects to Alexa and Google Home, but also offers a customizable cleaning schedule, virtual walls, and no-go zones via the Tuya Smart app. It's like having a personal assistant that actually listens to you. Tikom even has 14 no-go zones, perfect for keeping it away from your cat's secret lair. Reviewers love Tikom's user-friendly app and customization options. Sorry, Roomba, Tikom's smart features are like having a robot butler. Based on user reviews, both the iRobot Roomba 692 and Tikom L9000 have their strengths. Roomba is praised for its consistent cleaning performance and strong suction, though it requires regular maintenance to keep it in top shape. Tikom, on the other hand, is celebrated for its powerful suction, precise navigation, and versatile mopping function, making it a great value for its price. So there you have it, folks. If you're looking for a budget-friendly powerhouse vacuum with cutting-edge navigation and smart features, Tikom L9000 is your go-to bot. But if you're a loyal Roomba fan who loves a classic, the Roomba 692 won't disappoint. Either way, your floors will be so clean you could eat off them, though we don't actually recommend that. Thanks for tuning in to Buy Smart. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Until next time, stay smart and keep those floors spotless.